Hey YouTube people! Bubbles! She is hilarious! Bubbles surfing on the U.S. Bubble State, which is Tennessee. Oh, that's nice. Awesome potatoes. Yeah, awesome potatoes. It's not potatoes. It's spaghetti, Joe. You silly Billy. I gotta go. Why? Because my favorite show, Dora the Explorer, is on She is? I gotta go. Okay, this isn't even my house. Hey, Dora! Dora! Where'd she come from?